So the digital media program at Pittsburgh State University within the Graphics and Imaging Technologies Department really focuses on three key components: teaching students about videography, photography, and 3D rendering and design. And so students can kind of put those three areas together to really render some amazing quality products and some skill sets. So you'll learn all about lighting, for instance. Maybe in some of the photography courses you'll get in depth with lighting and the technical aspects of photography. You go into videography, you're going to learn about how to edit those videos together, how to shoot video, and use that lighting that you learn from photography in conjunction with that information to make fantastic quality products. And then with the 3D aspect of it, you can kind of think of it like an Apple commercial, for an iPhone or an Apple Watch. Some of that stuff is 3D rendered, some of it's actually shot in person, some of it is video effects. All of that stuff kind of comes together to make this full picture for someone that can take that skill set and go get many different jobs they can go look at with a digital media degree.